So this is a 2013 Chrysler 200, and I need to replace the headlight bulbs. And you can't get to them through here. So what I'm gonna try and do is access them via the wheel well. Let's see how that goes. On later models, there's an access panel right here. I believe 2015 has it. I don't know what year it started, but I am gonna try and go ahead and remove all the little clips. She's already missing some, but I'm gonna remove the clips on the front of the fender liner. So there's a clip there. I already showed you the two up top. And there are these fasteners that I may have to remove along the edge. Looks like somebody tried to get at these fasteners and couldn't get them off. I'm having the same trouble. So I got the inner fender liner off. You can see where the battery lives and where the headlight bulb lives. And it is, that wire in the way. Right in there. So let's take off the cover and see how easy it is to get our hand in there. So I was able to remove the cover, and there's the bulb there. I just took off that connector, twist the bulb out, and you're good to go. Okay. And the passenger side is much the same. You have a fastener there, 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 and there are supposed to be some down here, but it's broken. And I think you have to remove this one, but I don't think you have to remove that one. So let's get to that. Some of these fasteners are stubborn. They're supposed to pop right out, but sometimes you got to grab them with some pliers. For these fasteners, I use a 7mm. With the inner fender out, I can now see the cover. And I'm gonna see if I can take it out. All right. From the bottom or the top, it's hard to get to however you got to get it. But with the wires in the way, there's not much room for your hands. All right. So now I can take the little connector off. Like that. And move it out of the way. And got strong fingers. You can twist it out and get it with the left hand. Come on, left hand. Will you fit? Will you even fit? There we go. And there we go. And she said, maybe I'm getting old, but I can't see at night. As it turns out, one of her headlights was out. So that is what prompted this parking lot DIY adventure. Like the old bulb, the new bulb will have tabs that you need to line up with notches when you first insert it. And then you rotate it clockwise until it's seated or it kind of clicks, and then the bulb's in. All right, it's in. And I must say, once you've done something once, it's a lot easier to do it the second time. Getting this cover back on is kind of difficult. I have average size hands, not too big, not too small. And it was just tough for me to have enough space to maneuver. But if you have small hands, I imagine it would be a lot easier. And if you have hands that are larger than mine, it's gonna be a bit harder. All right, it's on. So I came up top, and I think this is a hood sensor. I pulled this up by squeezing the tabs here and pulling up, and that gave my hand more clearance to get under here. But now the light's in, We can put that back. Now I'm gonna call out my friend and see if everything's good. So we tested the new bulbs, put everything back together, and she was good to go. If you're into watching people work on their cars in their garage, their driveway, or even the parking lot, like I am, check out the videos on my 95 Civic, my 99 Golf, or my 89 Chevy truck. Thanks for watching. Take care.